It's Brendan from WPAlpha. In this video, I want to talk about the daily malware filtering and antivirus scans the platform does. So every day, the system will scan your website for malware and viruses. You can see what's going on with that, or you can check the activity here in your hosting dashboard. So I'm just logged in here, and you'll see there's this sidebar, and the sidebar might be hidden for you, so you might have to click this little icon here to open it up. And you'll see there is this Immunify option. So Immunify 360 is the tool we use for our server level scanning. So you just want to click that. If you've got multiple websites, just choose the one that you want, and it will show you the history of the scans and what's going on. So let's just load this up. So hopefully our website's had no malware. As you see here, it should be clean. So the history will be clean. The scan should have run in the last 24 hours. You can see there today is the 24th of February, so it ran last night, and you can see there, so it scans the files and the database, no malware found, so you can see the history of what's going on there for your own website. And if there is something wrong, it'll tell you what's happened here and what it's done about it. So generally it will try and clean the file out. If you have something that keeps recurring, it shows up again and again, there might be some sort of active infection on your site, or you might have a plugin that's been compromised, and that hole is still open. So it might be a case if you need to delete that file or update the plugin that it relates to. It might be something along those lines. But if you get stuck, reach out to our team, log a support ticket, and they'll be able to help you. You'll see there's this other tab, Proactive Defense. If the system detects that your website's trying to do something malicious and it catches it in the act, it'll also terminate that process as well. But that's not so common. You know, more likely you're going to have malware picked up in the virus scan. But you may have something in here as well if you have particularly malicious infection. Most of the time, infections get in through plugin holes, security holes and plugins. So usually the fix is to update all your plugins, keep them up to date. Our Smart Updates AI system does patch Monday to Thursdays. It'll automatically update your site, but there are some gaps in that. So if you have a paid plugin that sits outside the WordPress update system, our system won't be able to update it. You may need to manually update it. So there are some gotchas there with that. So you may need to run through, if you have paid plugins, and just check them manually and see if they need an update. In any case, if you get stuck, log a ticket with our support team or jump on the live chat, and one of the guys will be able to help you out or give you next steps or whatever needs to be done. Cheers.